Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to enable the outfit codes in Roblox. This is for 2025. So the first thing, of course, you need to log into Roblox. As you can see right here, I'm currently logged in. Just a disclaimer, this is going to be my first time logging into Roblox. I'm just doing this for discussion purposes. So I'm looking right now for making sure that my age is going to be corrected. Because sometimes Roblox has some restrictions depending on your age. Alright? And I think I have the correct one right here. Now, where to go next? So to enable those outfit codes, make sure you click on this one and type in here catalog avatar creator in experiences. So once you click on this one, you're gonna go here. As you can see right there, let me go back first. And basically, these are gonna be the results, right? We're looking for this one, the biggest screen right there. Click on it, and this is by its Munib, alright? Now, moving forward, what can we do here? So once you click on enter, you're going to see this option or this screenshot right here. I really cannot answer since I do really need to have a Roblox as of now, and I do not want to take much of your time. So this is how it should look like. And in here, you're going to see this option, right? Just click on the community outfits right there, and you're going to see this one. Just simply click on the code moving forward, and you'll be good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.